What's up? Good morning, guys. As we all know, today CPI CPI news is coming today. So I'm just basically going to do my thoughts or analysis on it. First of all, I have this was selling gold already. Was selling gold already from the 4 hour time frame. Let's quickly check the live stream. Okay, guys. So let me quickly do my top-down analysis. Remember, you can drop your comments in the comment section. I'll show them. I'll show your comments. Yeah. So let's start from the daily time frame. Let's start from the daily time frame. You can see the daily time frame for gold has really retraced into like this fair value gap here. I don't want to actually mark out the fair value gap, so don't mess up the screen that much. But basically, this is the fair value gap here. We haven't gone fully into the gap, and if you look at the weekly profile, in which I think I did in a live stream, on Monday. I told you guys that I wanted to see this week go down into this fair value gap, which is actually happening now. So there's still more space for it to go into, and I feel like this CPI is going to take it into those spaces. It's going to dip it. Yeah, it's going to sell the gold. So even dollar too is strong. So we should be expecting sales. So fast forward to the daily time frame, we see relatively equal lows. All these lows are relatively equal. Yesterday and day before yesterday's low. So the only thing that will draw price up is this fair value gap, this daily fair value gap here, and we're not even close to it yet. So this daily fair value gap is what's going to draw price up, but we're not even that close to it, so we should not be really bothered about it. So going down to the 4 hour, that's where I was able to see a 4 hour entry basically. Although this low has not been taken, but since I'm more inclined for a sell, plus these relatively equal lows is one confirmation for a sell. This other block is another confirmation for a sell. This fair value gap is where I got in my entry for a sell. Again, what are we targeting? Because we need to have a draw on liquidity. You can see some other relatively equal lows here. Below those relatively equal lows is something else again that is really juicy. And what's that? It's a fair value gap. So there's so many things that is pointing. Sorry. There's so many things that is pointing that price will go lower on gold. So many things. So I also mark out this as just like a support or resistance, or what you call it. So I just know that our price usually rejects all those areas. So we're looking to see liquidity down here. So we're looking for price to push lower. So I've already gotten in my entry already, but we can still find entries in the London session if we are careful, because it's going to consolidate a bit because of the news. It might consolidate a bit because of the news ahead. So we have to be careful. I want to look at the daily time frame. There's something I'm trying to see. I want to see the week. Okay. Yeah, so it has formed the week for the day. So we just have to like proceed lower. So if we can get sales inside this week, it will be nice. So the other block, this is fair value gap, I saw that. Then we'll go down to the 1 hour time frame. Let's say for you guys that have not gotten in on the trade yet, you can still find setups. So, but you need to get a clear structure break. Okay, so you can see this move up from here to here. It's a move up, so we can't actually use this as a shifting market structure. At least for me, I don't like using that as a shifting market structure. I like to use these major ones, the one that actually caused the swing. So that's what I like to use. Else I would have been short here already, but I don't want to use that. And we can see a volume imbalance here. Here, that's where price. If we can get price close below this volume imbalance, yeah, close below this volume imbalance, and also close below this low, then we should be looking for the second stage distribution. That means we should be looking for to sell at a fair value gap. If we get a close, hopefully, I don't want to see price go above all these highs. I don't want to see that it can go into the fair value gap. I want to see a close below this volume imbalance, a close below this low. Hopefully, touch these other blocks more. if if price is nice for us to take out those lows, then what you just need to do is look for a retracement. Then you sell. Then you start selling in preparation for CPI. Because I don't think CPI will it will go down that low yet. It might just go up and create some mess around these areas because of the news ahead. But basically, that's the whole plan. That's the whole plan, and that's what we would like to see on gold. So I also have another position on GBP CHF. So same thing, we're going on the higher time frame. So if you're just joining, basically you can share the video and also rewind it. You can rewind it. It's live, doesn't mean you can rewind it. Rewind to where I did the top down analysis for gold. So I want to do the top down analysis for GBP CHF now. So this GBP CHF already, you can already see something from the weekly time frame that we're looking bullish because we have all these lows that have not been taken out. We have a strong, not just any market structure shift, but like a big one. Yeah, like a big market structure shift. We shift the market structure. And we also had, if ever, a liquidity that was taken out. So basically, it's just retracements and buys. So we're now looking to buy continually up. Remember, this is the weekly time frame. So, good thing, this is a weekly fair value gap, which has been met already by the week of this week. So this is the week we're looking at now. So what we're just looking for now is a projection up. Take out this liquidity. Above the liquidity, there's something juicy again, which is this fair value gap. Yeah, so those are nice targets from the weekly. So we'll go down to the daily time frame now. I want to see that manifest in the daily time frame. You can see this daily fair value gap, how it's being respected. That shows us something. You can see the bodies remain inside the fair value gap. That states something. It states that the algorithm, if the interbank price algorithm is respecting that fair value gap. So all we need to look for now is buys on the daily. These are all daily candles. So this today's daily candle. So we're also expecting today's daily candle to at least maybe CPI will take it up here to take out those relatively equal highs. Hopefully. Yeah, don't mind this blue line I marked out. I think it was a volume imbalance I marked out when I was trying to buy. So only if price goes below this low, that's when we look for sales. But basically, let me check if there's any comments. So no comments for now. So just share the video if you're just joining. So on the 1 hour time frame now. On the 1 hour time frame, we'll see same thing. Well, look at this whole area now from here to here is another block. I want to see price reject off it because there's no fair value gap here. I would have used the fair value gap, so we have to use what we have. So we have this entire other block. Another block is not just one candle. It's a change in state of delivery. This sell side delivery is going down, then buy side delivery. So change in state of delivery. So we created another block. So I'll just use one line to mark the top of the order block. So at this other block, you can start buying there. Although I started buying earlier, but you can start buying at the other block. So, but we have left it, so we have to look for other alternatives. So going lower now, we see this gap, this fair value gap. Okay, this is a breakaway fair value gap because it has been mitigated already. So we don't want to see price close below. Sorry. No. So we don't want to see price close below this fair value gap because that fair value gap is a breakaway fair value gap that has been mitigated. So we don't want to see price close below it. So these are areas. So this area again, this rectangle is an area of support again, or resistance. I think support, that's what they call it. So I don't really care about the terms. I just try to make it very simple. So we have the order block, we have the support, we have this breakaway fair value gap. So many things should reject the price. So how do we frame our buy? We just look for a structure. Yeah, we can see maybe this liquidity taken out. Then we look for a shifting market structure. Yeah, so this is the shifting market structure we'll be using to buy. So right now we're not really concerned. Price can in fact go lower, let's say to around here. But what we're concerned about is this high. So once the high gets taken out, then we look for buys. So this is the high we're looking at. Once it gets taken out, we'll start looking for buys. We don't really care when it takes it out, as long as it doesn't go very low. But anytime from now, if it takes out those high, we'll be looking for buys. Simple. Okay, you can see what I was telling you guys on gold. It's trying to form a range now to consolidate. That's because of the news. So just have it in mind of what we've already analyzed. Then we anticipate that so that's it, guys. I'll not be taking any silver bullet trade today because of the news. No, silver bullets usually just ranges when there's a new CPI, so it's not even part of my rules to trade when there's CPI. So I'll avoid trading. I'll avoid trading silver bullet this month. I'll just wait until the news or after the news. So maybe I'll also try to live stream the news as well. But that will be all for now. Okay. So even though price is rushing high, I'm not really concerned. All I don't want to see it close above this other block. That's when I should get concerned. Then maybe the target is no longer this lows. Instead, the target is this fair value gap. So that's how price speaks to you, speaks to the trader. Just tells you So you should learn to understand price. So that's all for today, this morning. So I'll see you guys in the afternoon, hopefully. Trading CPI.